Hi, this is Tyson again on ADPR, Water Damage Restoration Services. We're still working on a Category 3 water loss, which was a sewer backup that affected multiple rooms in the home. So we have, right now, we're going to do some more additional cutting. But first we want to talk about fixtures. So right here used to be a vanity. This is a double sink vanity. And then just beyond the way is a toilet. So we'd have to detach the toilet so we can access the tile underneath that. And the vanity wasn't sitting on tile. So why would we remove the vanity? Well, the water migrated underneath that vanity right there. So what we try to do is maintain the fixtures as much as possible. We don't want to break them. So we detach 2 porcelain sinks and we save those. We have to detach the P-traps and we have to detach the water fixture supply lines. And then the other damage was the type of material the vanity was made from. It also was an absorbent material, so it was sucking up and already had visible swelling on that vanity. So once that's removed, we still have additional drywall. So I have a video where we already did cutting, but we basically come in here and we're gonna mark 24 inches up, like that. And then you see I have drywall behind the casing. Some guys will cut this. I don't even bother. This is cheap stuff and it never looks good to patch it. So we just detach the entire casing here so we can access that drywall. And then come over here, we do our other 24-inch mark. And then we'll take a chalk line. I won't snap it because I don't have extra hands, but of course, right? Chalk line and then snap. So we'll have our line. Then we got to look at what we have going on over here with the these fixture supplies. I don't know if anybody notices that there is water down here. Well, we've dried this house, and the water's off to the house currently. And even with the water off, we still have these valves don't turn off all the way. So I will always remove these valves and put 1/2-inch stoppers on here, so they're removable. That allows us to do a better job on our cutting, and then when the new drywall goes in, it plops over those caps and new plumbing can be installed. These are failing already, that's why water keeps coming out. And then obviously the water main that turns off to this house doesn't shut off all the way. That's why we're getting so much back pressure coming in here. So that's the reason we'll remove this. This had granite on top, this vanity had granite, and we do our best to try to detach the granite. But in this case, once we remove the sinks and we try to push up underneath the granite and also slightly pry it, they're glued on really well, and it cracked at both portions where the sink poles were. So unfortunately, that's another loss. These things are going to be typically covered in your insurance policies. So if it breaks, don't freak out on the guys. It's part of the process to remove everything. So I hope that answers any questions for materials to be removed and also fixtures. And we'll get back to you with more videos.